Let's dive right into this explainer with a seriously shocking stat about our daily habits.
70 hours a week. Yeah, that's how long the average person stares at screens, practically rotting their brain.
This actually creates anhedonia. We become totally numb just chasing quick dopamine hits instead of really living.
It's a two-stage attack, really. First, social media steals our attention. Then, AI totally steals our agency.
Over-relying on AI just kills critical thinking. It gives us this deep fake mastery without any real effort.
It's literally like sending someone else to the gym. Your brain atrophies when it gets way too comfortable.
So here's the fix: cognitive rehab. Good old-fashioned hobbies actually force your brain to struggle and adapt.
Feel guilty taking breaks? Well, Nobel Prize winners actually had 3 times more serious hobbies than their peers. Plus, they were 9 times more likely to train in the arts. Hobbies absolutely fuel your success.
So how do we actually do this? We use something called the VIBE framework.
First up is vitality. Running on empty? Pick something highly physical, like martial arts, to get moving.
Next is inquiry. If you're easily bored, force yourself to be a total beginner again with a language.
Then, belonging. Turn basic contacts into a real, actual community by joining a run club or a band.
Finally, expression. Stop just consuming and start creating. Pull something from inside and put it out there.
To keep it simple, just pick 1 or 2 hobbies, apply the framework, and test them 3 times.
But heads up, turning this rehab into a stressful performance review is the fastest way to fail. Seriously, don't post about it online. Bringing in an audience outsources your joy straight to an algorithm.
Just look at Finland, ranked happiest globally. They naturally built their entire culture around these exact principles.
Like the old stonemason parable, are you just stacking rocks or building a cathedral of human meaning?
So after your next hobby session, ask yourself this: did I feel more alive or just judged?